What's up, home theater guys? Today we're going to unbox the REL HT 1508 Predator home theater subwoofer. This is REL's top model for their new home theater lineup. They have a 10-inch, 12-inch, and a 15-inch model, which we have here today. The 1508 retails for $1,800 at the time of this video. If you're familiar with REL subwoofers, they're known for their tight, articulate musicality. They're a favorite with 2-channel setups, so I'll be interested to see how well these do for home theater. Now let's get these unboxed and see what we get. Inside, we get the grill, some documentation, the power cord, 4 screws, and 2 metal couplers. The first thing you might notice is the top plate. It sits 6 millimeters above the cabinet, but also extends 12 millimeters into the cabinet. It's not only a design element, but it's also used to minimize cabinet resonances. And speaking of the cabinet, it's not the usual highly thought out finish you normally get with a REL sub. I believe they were trying to keep it at a relatively low price point for them, and went with a vinyl wrap that goes all the way around the cabinet without any seams. It looks almost like it's brushed in aluminum. I wouldn't say it screams premium, it just kinda says average. Up front, you'll find the 15-inch driver that's made of a lightweight glass fiber, while the inner portion is carbon fiber. This makes it lightweight and very stiff. Around back is the main power switch, AC input, RCA ins and outs, gain and crossover adjustments, a 0 to 180 degree phase switch, XLR in and out, and the auto power on-off toggle. On the bottom are stacking rails. If you want to stack 3 of these subwoofers on top of each other, you can. You'd join them together by using the included metal couplers. The 1508 is a sealed design measuring only 19.7 inches wide by 18 inches high by 19.4 inches deep, and it weighs 79.4 pounds. It's rated down to 21 Hz and is powered by an 800 watt Class D amplifier, which is said to have peaks of up to 1400 watts. One thing that's missing from more recent subwoofers is the omission of any DSP or app control. So if you want to do any adjustments, you'll either have to get up off your seat or use your processor's EQ. Well, I'll be back with a full review in the coming weeks. In the meantime, let me know your thoughts on REL's new home theater-centric subwoofers. Have you heard them, and were you impressed? Well, thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like. Tap the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you again in the next one.